This could be a total disaster. I'm gonna have it come right at me. Is it gonna hydroplane over the blast? Look at that, look at it go! Oop, too far, and she's drowning, and she's underwater. That's not good. Hey, good morning YouTube. Yeah, I'm over here. It's another beautiful day and I'm out at my beach. I'm really enjoying the beach at this time of the year because if you come early in the morning, it's kind of cool and no one else is around. Certainly if you look over this way, I have some boats out here that are moored. And yeah, as you look all along, they just spend the night because, you know, it is fall, so summer's long gone. I guess the last few days they can get out here in Canada, in my area. Anyways, today I'm out at the beach because I'm going to try something a little different, something I always want to try. I've brought with me today 2 RC cars, and both of those RC cars I put paddle tires on. You can see images of the paddle tires right now on both cars. And my plan is to drive them up and down the beach and also make them spin into the water. If you could get them going fast enough and you could control them correctly enough, they will cruise over the surface of the water. Yeah, they will. But my luck, I've never tried it. That might not happen and they might just go plunk in the water. So we're going to give this a shot now and see what happens. First one we're going to try is the Rustler. So first test is just to see how it does in the sand with these paddle tires. Let's see, let's give it some speed down the beach and then back. Well, that's pretty fast. I don't even have it on full. Let's bring it back here. Kind of hard to control. All right, now to make it a little bit more crazy, I'm going to put a GoPro on the top. GoPro adds more weight, but hopefully that's not a bad thing. All right, so water's a little cool. You can look down, I've got my super white legs here standing in the water. My plan is to get the car to come this way and then try to control it, get back up on shore. This could be a total disaster. I'm gonna have it come right at me. Is it gonna hydroplane over the blast? Look at that, look at it go! Oop, too far, and she's drowning, and she's underwater. That's not good. Is it gonna hydroplane over the water? Full blast. Look at that, look at it go! Oop, too far, and she's drowning. And she's underwater. That's not good. Oh, that's not good. Okay, had it going for a while. So test number 1, that was good. Plunk you down. Yes, that's good. Let's mix some beach sand in with all the water in the components. My problem was that I lost control as soon as it came in the water because you can't steer. I got no rudder. So let's try that one more time. Let's go a little farther away. Hey, what's up? Whoa, that one was worse. Hey, what's up? Whoa, that one was worse. That one was worse. That was a bad angle. That wasn't good. That wasn't good. Whoo-hoo, look at this thing. Look at the back. It's just full of sand. All right. And now it's full of weeds and sand. Okay, one more time, and then I'll try the other RC vehicle. Oh, it's a bad angle. It's the bad angle. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, we're going to make it back to shore? Are we going back to shore or am I just going to pull out? No, let's just... what the heck is going on with that? Oh, it's a bad angle. It's the bad angle. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, we're going to make it back to shore? Are we going back to shore or am I just going to blow out? No, it's just... what the heck is going on with that? Here, let's get that out of there. That's right. Once again, let's mix in the beach sand with the water. I bet you're all curious, what's it look like inside? Let's yank this off. It's not too bad. There we go. Oh, everything else looks bad. I just gotta let that sand dry on there. We got the X-Maxx out here. This thing's monster size. It's massive, and it takes 2 4-cell batteries. So that's a total of, I'll put below how much voltage is going through this thing right now. It's insane. Here we go. I'm in low speed. I'm not even going super fast here. If I want to go fast, it's like more like that. All right. I got people fishing down there. Let's do the same thing. Let's hop down here. This thing's got bigger tires, so I'm expecting the X-Maxx, since it has bigger tires, it does weigh a ton, I'm expecting to do a bit better. I can go over more, so let's take it down there and let's wrap it around and let's have it come at me full blast. Here we go. Whoa! It's still going. Way to go! And let's wrap it around and let's have it come at me full blast. Here we go. Whoa! It's still going. Look at it go. Oh, did you see that? That would scare the hell out of anybody. Let me try that again. And here we go. If you see the truck coming at you, get out of the way, because it's not too easy to turn on water. Okay, if anybody's thinking about getting an RC vehicle, I would highly suggest get the freaking X-Maxx. This thing goes over anything. There we go, full speed in the water. Whoop, too far, too far. There we go, full speed in the water. Whoop, too far, too far. I was gonna have it go all the way down the beach, but that was too far. This thing's going out in the water. Look at this. Look at my pet. This thing weighs a ton. It's probably got water in the tires. Let's get rid of that. Look at that. It makes short work of anything. I could jump over the seaweed, no problem. Right, if you listen closely, you can hear the fan just a going. The engine's probably a little hot. And as well, if you want to see what it looks like inside, let me just unlock it. Yank that off. Not too bad inside, just some seaweed along the ESCs. Ooh, that's hot, hot down there. Now everything's supposed to be waterproof in here, so it's designed to get wet, go through water. You know, you wouldn't keep it in the water too long, but yeah, that's all pretty good. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that video. That's just me out at the beach having some fun with my RC cars. I'm gonna put links below this video to where you can find these RC cars. They are not cheap, especially the X-Maxx. It's quite pricey, but you can see why it's so pricey is because it's massive in size and it can drive on water. The more throttle you give it, the farther you'll go. But the water's deep out there and I didn't want it to go too far or else, you know, I'd never get it. It would become a submarine or someone's scuba diving Christmas gift. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and I'll be out with more fun videos. Take care. We'll catch you in the next one.